Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress WP list admin. So today we are going to learn about how to add the search box and do the search process in the WP list table. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a search. So let's go with the search underscore display. So to get the search box, you have to enable this, okay, in the prepare items. Okay, no, it's not in the prepare items, it's in the WP function where we have to add the menu page. If I go to the add underscore menu, here you can see that menu. Okay, so here this is the function, okay, where we have to calling all the things. Okay, so here we have the main class also, where we have the prepare items also, search box also. Okay, so to add the search box, you have to enable table search box. Save this, and you can see that the search box is added. Now if I add anything, so search process will be working. Okay, so how we are going to do that? So if I go to the search box, here we have the, if we write anything in the search box. Okay, so let's go to prepare items. Okay, so here we have all the things. Okay, so here we have instant get. Okay, so anything I have typed over here, so here you can see that it will come up over here like the action and all. So here you can see we have the request of the search. Okay, s is equal to ss. Okay, so currently if s is there, if get s, then get this s1. Okay, so current role of administrator or something, remove this one, we don't require it. Okay, so this is a search on the behalf of the name, the name or the email. Okay, so currently our is this is a location, so we will go with add with location. And if you want to search with the zip code, I can add the zip code over here. And the last one, that is amount, I can also do the amount search also. Okay, it up to you. Okay, now let's do the search one. Okay, so I will add this one, full-fledged code search. So this search is not working yet, I guess. So we have to check the query, or we will add Mohali. Okay, so something issue over here. Okay, so let's fix it. So this is the items, you can see that. So we have to check this query, what exactly the query is. Echo, this is basically the query issue, nothing on that much more on it. Okay, so currently like Mohali zip code and the amount like Mohali, anything where we have. Okay, then select star from the table name. If I put everything over here, limit and all, then what happened? Because we haven't put the query over here, so let me add the query. Okay, let's try to load. Okay, so it says that Mohali, there is a space, let's search again. So let's make a result, query result over here, what exactly it's showing. Okay, so echo, no, only this line. Okay, save this line, what the query is printing. So let's start from location, let's check this into our select data search, or you can say about the SQL command. Just go and paste it. We will get to know about that, this why this is not working. Let's execute this query. Unknown column location in where clause, so location is where clause. Unknown column location in where clause, might be location is throwing some error, so we will remove this location. Okay, let's add the zip code only. Let's see if the query is working or not. Okay, so no rows found. So let's add the zip code. Okay, let's see, check on the behalf of the zip code also. So we have the zip code. Let's enter this one. We have a search part. Okay, you can see that search is taking place, and here might be the location is like you can known keyword for the MySQL. So that's the reason it's not searching. Okay, if I go and just add this search query, okay, and just try to hit it over here, now one row is coming up. Okay, so this is how we are able to do the search process, and you can modify the query accordingly. Okay, so this is how we are implementing the search. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.